how to deposit money in Bybit Spot. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to deposit money in Spot Bybit. After you open up the Bybit app, go to your assets. After you go to the asset section, so now we tap on this convert or transfer button, transfer. So after you select the transfer, so here now it will give you option. So the first thing to do, now you tap on this option now and select Spot. So select this one and select Spot in the option, or you tap on this option now. So now you start by tapping on this option now and select Spot in this option. The second one, so for the second one, I will choose this, that's it, on verified. And for the first one, I will select that's funding or any account. So the Spot and the on paid trading account are all the same in Bybit. So I'll tap on this option now and choose the coin. Choose the coin. Let's say I'll transfer USDT. After you choose the coin, at the same time, the next thing to do now is specify the amount in this option. Let's say I want to send 500 or 5,000. So after you just specify the amount, if you have enough money in your funding account for the USDT, by selecting the unified trading account in this option and funding at the top and specifying the currency, that's USDT, just place the amount and tap on this confirm button. So from there, the amount will be transferred or will be deposited into your Spot account in the Bybit. And that's it. If you want to see the amount after you complete this one, just go back. After you go back, then you tap on this option, unified trading. So from there, you'll be able now to see the amount that you sent into this account. You'll be able to see the amount in this option. And that's it. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.